Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this simple question on the board. Now look at what we are given. We are going to have 4 raised to the power of s plus 4 raised to the power of y is equals to 10. We can call it equation 1. Okay. Now and again 4 raised to the power of s minus 4 raised to the power of y is equals to 8. We can call it equation 2. Now we are asked to find the value of x and what? Y. Wow, this is interesting. Now let's call this equation 1. Okay. And let's call this equation 2 and solve it together. Let's solve it together. Okay. Now from equation 1, let's make 4 raised to the power of s the subject of the formula. That means from equation 1, let's make 4 raised to the power of s the subject. So this will be equals to, remember that 10 was there already, so 10 was there. So when this move over here become what? Minus 4 raised to the power of what? Y. We can call this equation what? Equation 1, 3. Wow. Now let's substitute. You can see that let's substitute equation 3 to equation 2. You know, normal way when you study simultaneous equation are very simple. You know, we always make from equation 1, equation 2, we always make one either s or y the subject. You can either substitute equation 1 or equation 2 to any of the equation and solve for the unknown. Okay, that's helpful. Now here equation 3, here is equation 2. Now you can see that 4 raised to the power of s equals to 10 minus y, 4 raised to the power of y. Now look at this equation 2. Let's substitute. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Now this is equals to 10 minus 4 raised to the power of y. Let's put all this here. That's what we mean by substituting equation 3 to equation 2. Let's do it quickly. So in place of the, I'm going to add that this is into 10 minus 4 raised to the power of y minus 4 raised to the power of y. This other one you are seeing equals to what? 8. And already this is equation 2. Don't forget. Now what we are going to do, let's remove it from the parenthesis. What this is 10 minus 4 raised to the power of y minus 4 raised to the power of y equals to what? 8. Let's subtract 10 from both sides. So what are minus 4 raised to the power of y minus 4 raised to the power of y equals to 8 minus what? 10, because subtracted 10 from both sides, right? Now minus 4 raised to the power of y minus 4 raised to the power of y, what I have minus 2 into 4 raised to the power of what? Y equals to what? Minus what? 2. Because 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Let's divide both sides by minus 2. We divide here by minus 2. Minus 2 we can also add this. Let them go and enjoy their Christmas. Okay, and that this is 4 raised to the power of y equals to minus, we cancel out minus, so now this is 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, now what you are left the 4 raised to the power of what? Y equals to what? 1. What are we going to do here? Because from here we can have the value of y. Remember we are asked to find the value of x and y, but luckily we are going to have y from here. Now let's obey one of the properties of indices. Remember that one of the properties of indices define or said that anything raised to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Okay, in the sense that a is not equals to what? 0. Some people do not know the law, this rule about indices. Some people say that 0 to the power of 0 is 1. Wrong. It's very, very wrong, my brothers and sisters. A raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1 in the sense that a will not be equals to 0, which is this base will not be equals to 0. Because if here is 0 and 0 is the power of 0, it's undefined. It's undefined. So that means a raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1 in the sense that a will not be equals to 0. So for those of you proving law of indices, please take this very important. Remember, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. We agree. But in the sense that the base will not be equals to 0. Please take it, it's very important. Because people are quoting this law without indicating that. Because if you are quoting this law without saying that a is not equal to 0, it means that you mean that the base can be also be 0. Because say anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. That means raised to the power of 0 is still 1. It's a wrong thing, it's very wrong. That means a will not be equal to 0. That is true, that anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, but a must not be equal to 0. Okay? Now we know that from here a raised to the power of 0 is 1. So in place of this one I can do something here. So I'm having a base here of 4. I'm not wrong if I decide to remove this one and write 4 raised to the power of 0, because that 4 raised to the power of 0 will represent the 1. Okay, that means 4 raised to the power of y will be equals to 4 raised to the power of 0. 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, by the law of indices. Let's equate the powers in the bases are the same. Let them enjoy their Christmas. Let them go and enjoy their Christmas. Okay, so now see that our y is equals to what? 0. This is the value of what? Y. But remember we are asked to find the value of x and y, but luckily we are getting that y is equals to what? 0. Wow, this is interesting. Now let's go back to equation 3. Look at what we are going to do in equation 3. Remember that from equation 3, from equation 3 we see that 4 raised to the power of s is equals to 10 minus 4 raised to the power of what? Y. But we are getting that our y is 0. So we are going to that 4 raised to the power of s is equals to 10 raised to the power of what? 10 minus 4 raised to the power of what? 0. I want to know that this is 4 raised to the power of s equals to 10 minus 1, because 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1 by the definition of one of the properties of indices. Okay, and 10 minus 10 minus 1 is 9. So this is what 4 to the power of s equals to what? 9. We are having what? 4 to the power of s equals to what? 9. What are we going to do here? Do you know that there is no way we can put 9 in index one and the base must be the same? There's no way, because we know that 3 to the power of 2 is 9. But how are we going to make the base to be equal? Let's call logarithm. Logarithm, please come. I know you will help us a lot. Let's take the log of both sides, because that will help us. So let's take the logarithm of what? 4 to the power of s equals to log what? Log what? 9. This man will help us. Okay, let's also obey the properties of logarithm. This power will go back to multiply the log. So this now become what? S log what? Log 4 equals to log what? Log what? 9. Since we are looking for s, let's divide both sides by log 4. Okay, divide here by log 4, divide here by what? Log what? 4. Now log 4 cancel log 4. Our s equals to log what? Log 9. Log 9 divided by what? Log 4. Now this is the value of s, but if we take the log of 9 divided by log 4, you have a decimal number, right? That means s equals to 1.58 was 5. But let me leave it at 2 decimal place. So if I approximate 1 from here and here is 8, so here we want 9. Okay, so here we want 9. That means 1.59, and this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and so share it to loved ones so that others will learn from it. Please, if you are not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload an exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.